Where are you going?
Hey everyone, it's Skyee here, and today I'm doing a flip through slash review, although it won't be too much of a review, more of a flip through, on Fantasy Girls by Marti Jo's coloring. There is one flip through on YouTube of this book, but it was incomplete and the pages were taken out of the book, so it doesn't really show the order that they come in or anything. So I figured that I would do my own flip through of this. So it says Femme Fatales, Steampunk, Goth, and Fantasy Girls. So this is the cover. It's pretty simplistic. On the back it says Fantasy Girls. From steampunk girls to femme fatales, there are 50 detailed images in this fantasy-themed coloring book. Also included are goth gals, ninja warriors, and several fantasy women, along with a silly witch waiting for you at the end that is sure to put a smile on your face. It also says here the images used under license from Shutterstock.com, so I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm pretty sure that means that the images were taken off of a website. But anyways, let's dive in. So there's no intro page or anything. It opens straight up to one of the first coloring pages, and I am fairly certain that this is the Create Space paper, or at least it does feel a lot similar. And the images are single-sided, which is part of why I wanted to grab this book, because I figured it would be a neat book to kind of color and just finish off a picture really quick. It would also be good for testing out color combinations and different skin tones and such. So the styles of these images vary a lot. There's quite a few sexy females and then warriors. This one is adorable. This one my friend Christy is actually coloring right now, and she is the reason that I decided to get this book. She kind of enabled me. So quite a few of these too I want to color and frame for my art room because they're just super sweet. This book was really cheap on Amazon. I think it was just under $8 for me in Canadian. She is adorable. There are some landscape images, although most of them are in portrait. And as you can tell, there's really not much at all for backgrounds in most of these, which I don't mind because, like I said, I kind of see this as a book to kind of just quickly color a page. It doesn't really need a background or anything. And if you wanted to practice adding backgrounds, this would be a great book for that too. This would actually be a good page for practicing metals on. This one is a little funny because that probably should not be there. This one is actually pretty cute. And this is the last page, the witch that they talk about in the back of the book, saying that she's sure to put a smile on your face, which is kind of funny, but yeah, that is it for the review. I might insert a speed coloring of one of these girls just after this if you want to stay tuned to watch that. If not, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye!
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
you going?